Hi guys, I'm back. I wanted to share how to do a video to accentuate the features that are actually showing now during quarantine that we're wearing these masks. This is the mask that I have. It's actually by Diversity, so you have to check it out. It's an amazing brand. It's actually my cousin's fiance's brand. She does a lot of the promotions for the brand, but they are selling these masks now. I believe it's free with a purchase on their website. I'll do the link below and everything to include that. They're also doing a lot of giveaways to the nurses and to people to really just help them keep safe. So they're donating a lot of shields and everything like that, which I think is amazing. I love it, I love it, I love it. So keep it going. Anyway, so this is the mask that I am using during this period of time that we are going through. So I'm saying that to say this, like the other day I literally did my makeup to go to Target and I had like this bold, beautiful lip on. Didn't even dawn on me when I got out of the car. I was like, you can't even see my lip. I thought it'd be cool just to kind of put something out there that you can still like feel made up and glamorous, but that will actually accentuate your features that are being shown during the time that we're wearing a mask. Anyway, stay tuned. I'm gonna just put this on just to see like where it's hitting me. So literally I'm gonna make up my brows and my eyes and do like a really pretty highlight. And also do a waterproof makeup, guys. When I took off my mask for the first time, all of the makeup that I was wearing wound up in the mask. So just keep that in mind too. To really start on brows, I'm actually gonna do my favorite soap brow. So I'm gonna do that first. I grabbed my Aquarius leftover candle jar, which I'm saving forever because I'm Aquarius. From here, I'm gonna go into the Prism Highlight. It's actually by Danessa Irix, and I'm just pressing this into the skin. It has this beautiful dewy rose gold look to it. It's kind of shiny, which I like. I have very, very dry skin, so for those of you who are a little bit more on the oily side, you may just want to do like more of a mattifying primer. Good old P. Louise in Rumor 2. And we're just fingertipping it today. Bronzer in the crease, which I love. I feel like I've done that before too. But we are doing old school Solar Riche just through the crease. And this is also what I'm gonna take and use to like bronze the rest of my face as well. Ta-da! We're gonna go in and add a little bit of Fabulous. This one is from Morphe, just to get a little bit more depth in the corner. This is the James Charles palette, the mini version. I'm obsessed with it because it travels really well for all of the birthday trips that my husband and I like to take, or we took in the past. Hopefully we can take it again next year and go somewhere fun. For colors in this palette, I have no idea what the colors are. So I'm just gonna point to them. I did this color and then this one mixed together for my crease. I'm gonna do more of a matte lid because we'll do something kind of fun underneath. So I'm just doing the top, if I'm looking at the palette, top left. Inner part right there. Pick up a little bit of, he has a really like bright white color in his palette just to really pop that inner corner. Big fluffy brush, blend it all out. I'm gonna grab one more, kind of, again, mid-tone color, bronzy color here. This is the color I did on my lid, so just the top one. And this I'm gonna do like right where the corner meets the lid highlight. Take that same highlight color and then just go underneath the brow. We'll do something a little different. I always like to try different things. just randomly while we're filming, but it's all good. So we're gonna do Simply Smoked. It's a matte lip color from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm gonna grab an angled brush. And we're just going to lightly pull this through the brow. So from here, we're gonna do our fun, unexpected pop of color. A bit of Black Track by MAC, Fluid Line. Stamp it on the inner part of your eye here, like the water line. And whatever's left, kind of take it and just press it through that lash line there. So we're looking like this, okay? We're looking like we're seriously ready for this Target run, Costco run, wherever we are going with our mask appropriate makeup. Okay, so with the same pencil brush, I'm actually gonna go into this beautiful blue color. I'll show you. It's in that same James Charles palette, just at the bottom there. And we're just gonna work that through over the top of the black there. By putting a shadow on top of a gel or laying down a pencil first, it actually just really helps the eyeshadow stay in place. Then I'm just gonna take my fluffier brush, go back into the brown, and we'll blend that out. So from here, we'll grab some mascara. Mascara is a must during this mask situation. So I always just take the tip of the mascara. This one's actually a Laura Mercier mascara. And running the tip through, pulling it up. And just for a little bit more fun, I kind of wanted to add in, what's this color right here? Just a little bit on the inner corner. So you can kind of see the difference there. It just gives it a nice fade. So it's not just like that blue into that kind of bone or white color that we popped on the inner center. That's pretty. From here, we'll grab our lashes. And then again, I was talking about long wearing makeup. So I'm gonna go in with, it's actually NW20, which is a pretty light, bright color. Because I did a little bit more of a pop underneath the eye, I want it to be a little bit brighter. I'm trying to get like as close to that kind of where we pulled down the brown. I'm not taking it up as far as to where we're touching the blue, but just like right where that brown kind of faded down. From here, I am gonna go in with, this is NC42, so we're gonna fake the tan. And the areas where I'm using the mask, you wanna make sure it is waterproof, because if not, when you take off the mask, it just removes like a whole area of your makeup. And I don't want that. I don't want to have to like redo my makeup when I come home and I'm done like running my errands or anything like that. I just want it to stay. Perfect. So I am gonna set the under eye with just a little bit of Jeffree Star's loose powder. I'm using the shade Fair. We'll do a little bit of a highlight. You still can see just a little bit of the cheekbone area. This one is M441 Morphe for eyes, but I'm gonna do it for the highlights. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer, of course, on my forehead, but that's pretty much it, because the rest of the face, I'm gonna do a little bit of liner just for myself, so I have lip liner on. Just a whole different like mindset when you're doing your makeup now. I'm kind of focusing on what is above the mask. Such a 90s vibe, I love it. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I don't even know if you'll see this underneath my mask. By Morphe, so we're mixing together Debutantes and Fabulous. And we'll go in with a little bit of Mirage as well. That's it. Shall we put on the mask? See what, if anything, will show under this? Haha! We did it, guys. We did it. Okay. So we have those beautiful lashes, brows on point, and that blue popping through. So this is my makeup underneath a mask tutorial, or makeup mask tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Sorry, I can't talk with this thing on. But as you can see, when I remove it, all of my makeup stays because it's the long-wearing waterproof kind. So I hope this helps out and it gives you some hope that you can still get all glam and go to Target or wherever you're gonna go during this quarantine time. So stay safe, stay positive, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.